Namaste everyone. Very good evening
Yeah,
and warm cordial welcome to one and all to this day 7 webinar on personality development program for college students organized by Department of Biotechnology under the banner of Transgenic Club KL Societies at Nislingappa College, Bengaluru. I am Dr. Pratibha Case, Coordinator Department of Biotechnology, NSS Program Officer, KLSSC. It gives me great privilege to welcome you all to this today's webinar session on creativity. Any occasion may its divine blessings of Lord Almighty. Let us seek the divine blessings of Lord. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Koti Surya Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurume Deva, Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Today, I'm very much delighted to see you all here. This webinar has been organized in order to give or share insights of creativity skills. Dear students, we have amongst us our eminent enriched speaker, Mr. Amarnath J, a well-known personality development trainer. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Amarnath J, sir, for accepting our invitation. Welcome to this webinar, sir.
thank you very much. It's a privilege for me.
Thank you, sir. We always keep coming to you with wonderful opportunity. I'm really glad we have with us Amarnath J, sir, to share his views on creativity. The sole aim of today's webinar is to understand the characteristics of creativity and importance and functions of values about ethics, differences between values and ethics, about human values, honesty, and also about role model qualities of role model and how to become role model in life. With this brief note, I would like to request Amarnath J sir to take over today's session on creativity. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. It's a privilege to be with one and all. So the creativity where there is no end. So creativity from where we left, and today we will continue from there. So importance and functions of the values. Anything that we take, first thing we need to understand the nature of the knowledge by approaching the illumined souls. So illumined souls are the lecturers or in college. So once they understand what exactly the value and also the ethics, norms, role model, all these topics that we are going to discuss. Here the most important thing is enlightenment is very much required. There is a very subtle difference about the values or ethics, and from there the human values, and also to role model. This should be the ambition of everyone. Whatever may be the situation, the world will always look forward for the leaders who carries the value, more importantly for everyone. So values play a very important role in the integration and the fulfillment of man's basic impulse and desire. Everybody has got their own impulse and their own desire. Now the thing is, after understanding this, there should be a lot of consistency, and not only the consistency, the appropriate behavior for our living should be there. Their generic experience in social action made up both individual and social response and attitude. It is how I respond to a situation and what is my attitude and what is the confidence level that I am radiating for the people around me. The main aim of any individual should be to build a very good society. And we have to integrate and we should create the value for our relationship. They mold the ideal dimension of personality, range, and also the depth, the culture that we have to integrate all these qualities. So the behavior, the criteria, how we evaluate others, and also how they evaluate my behavior is the thing that I need to take care. I have got a great role to play to conduct and also how I motivate everyone. It is the social life where I need to take care. So creating norms to guide day-to-day behavior, and this should lead the people to create a better society. And when we see this ethics, one side it is the value, and the other side it is the ethics. Ethics are nothing but, in a simple language to put, it is all the rules and regulations that are there. When I am alone, it's a different thing. But when I am in a group, I need to know the norms that will decide what is right and wrong. Once it is known very well, then every situation can be taken care. The integrity level of mind, what are the principles, the moral, which is what is good for everyone, that is very important. How honest I am, the value that I am creating, how I respect others, what is the right choice, how it is very fair and conscious, and also the responsibility. These are the things now when we put together, we should understand very clearly the difference between the values and ethics. Values are the guiding principles in life, and every person has his own value system, which helps in his behavior and action throughout his life. And values can be universal as well as personal, and are actually the beliefs of a person has that it helps for the right behavior in a particular manner all throughout the life. On the other side, if we see the ethics, these are the moral codes of the conduct that decides what is right and what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, and how to strive for the best. The behavior of an individual in a group and in a society. So this will become ethics, and ethics are unwritten code of conduct that are to be followed by an individual or an employee in an organization. So value is all about what I really look forward. But most important thing is the norms of ethics that is should be understood by every individual in an organization, both from the employer and employee level. The subtle difference between values and ethics, once it is understood very well, we can also understand what is this human value. The human value, it is a very sensitive issue. It is the principles and the worthiness that we have to look, what sort of a faith that I am having, and how I motivate myself. Most importantly, I can inspire others. Motivation is at my level, it is an action, and for which the responsibility and how honest I am, how I am bringing everyone together, creating a social life. There is a diversity, but it is every culture should be understood. Then only we will find that equality. So this equality, respectability, and how I treat others, what is absolute truth? My assumptions need not be any truth. My assumptions are only my belief. My belief, it is only my opinion. But when it comes to the truth, it is an absolute truth that will help to create certain norms in society. So the morality, the etiquette, whatever it is there, the decency, the respect, the virtue, and the standards that we set for ourselves, and the character that we should have in every action of ours. And now we will come to the human values. The human values are the virtues that guide us to take into account the human element when one interacts with the other human beings. That is one of the reason always we hear that first we have to become a good human being. Academic qualification, it will give the status, but real behavior comes out how I am behaving like a human being, and oneness we should see. These are the foundation for any viable life within the society. Human values thus defined. It is an universal one. There are types of human values. Wisdom, it is all about how I use my knowledge, how I understand what is going on around me, understanding the reality. So, knowledge is what I know, and the wisdom says how I can use it also, how wise I am, how I can understand what is going on around me. When this is very clear, the integrity part, how I bring everyone together. Even if you take any system, when every part, it will synergistically, that every part of the system, it should work. And how much I am reliable. Reliability is very important because without reliability, we cannot understand anything. The most important thing is whether the people have got a faith in my thinking, and also how I am trustful for everyone. The beauty when we see, we should understand very clearly. The beauty is all about how clear I am in everything. Until and unless I am very clear, nothing will be, uh, things will not go smooth. For this, we have to strike the balance, harmony with nature. So the beauty is a very subjective experience, the human value, how important it is, and personal meaning in your life, allowing them to fill you with emotion is one of the most important values. And the respect and the love that I carry, it has got uh, a very deep meaning, because now these are the words which we are not using it in an effective way. So the respect and love, it should be taken at a deeper sense, and it should be like a mother and child relationship in whatever the transactions that we are doing. So honesty, an honest person is often straight, upright, sincere, and fair. And being honest, personal, they bring their quality into the action, the reward to the soul. That is one of the reason. It is not only the material world. We should also get spiritually connected so that it can avoid many danger. For one of the question of Arjuna in Kurukshetra war, he is asking a question. Suppose I will start uh, following the spiritual path. For some reason, if I give up spirituality, then my material world, that life is also gone. This life is also gone, spiritual life. For that, Krishna makes it very clear. Even the one step that what you take in the right direction, that is spiritual life, here nothing is lost and never, nothing is diminished. So spiritual life is very important. That is where we can connect ourselves very well. This gives the vitality, and it is an important value to have. So spirituality is always eternal. For anything that we begin, it should end. Otherwise, this material life is not complete. But whereas in spirituality, any good thing that is done, it is never lost. And how caring we are for others, the kindness, the concern, the empathizing. These are the things, physically and also spiritually, once we connect very well, it gives the result, and we can go beyond our expectation also. The target is easily achieved. Then we should see how we cooperate and how we collaborate. It is the process of working together to the same end, but many view cooperation as a luxury, not as an important human value. This is where that ethics will come to the norms, social behavior. Personal value is different, and also the ethics and the norms, which is the minimum basic thing. These are all the untold rules we need to follow. Then only we can create a better society. To create a better society, this ethics and also the value, it should go hand in hand. Me- Meaning of ideal life. What is ideal? What is ideal to me need not be an ideal to others. It is all the principle that one actively pursues as a goal, usually in the context of ethics. Here in the slide, we can see the joy and the fun. It is there in the work. How well you can visualize yourself living a life of your own dreams. Dreams are nothing but where I am, where I need to go, at what time, uh, where I should reach. That is also very important. So, dream is even the specific date should be there. Work mission should be very clear. The visualization must be perfect. So, ideal version of life is I had to create a wonderful relationship with myself. Feel good effect, that self esteem is very important. In the beginning, we have discussed. Until unless I have that feel good effect, that emotional feel good effect, then only that actualization comes. And here the awareness should also be there, and emotional emotionally we should control ourselves very well. And once we create a relationship within myself, it also should function in integrity with your higher self. That is what we say, first I need to become conscious, then I need to work in higher consciousness. That is why God consciousness also, we should understand this very well. It is at a transcendental level, and it is at the divinity level, the work will be very successful. Become a drama free person. So pretension is always very bad. I may look in the way that others perceive, but when I start speaking, my real personality can be understood by everyone. So here, instead of trying to manage the situation, a very good teacher also will be a constant learner. It is in that way I all my behavior and all my feel good effect, it should be very natural. It should be knowledge based. With that, we can become always solution oriented persons, goal oriented person. The common purpose, why the team is there, why an organization is there. It is in the process we have to achieve the goal that we have set for ourselves, and the goal is set for everyone, and the goal is also for the organization. So we must tune ourselves into the right way of our behavior, and also we should go to the source of the power, the love and creativity, the higher levels of your consciousness to access your full potential should be realized. This is very easy when there is a method called as a Kaizen method. Consistent, always, it is a never ending process. Learning is a lifelong process. So ideal life, the word ideal means perfect. Along with perfect, it also means a precious gift. Life is a precious gift given by that great eminent engineer. It is bestowed to us, the creator of the universe, with a purpose to have its all-rounded development. Holistic development is very important, which should be beneficial to the fellow man being around us. If I analyze myself, whatever may be the position that I am, apart from my effort, it is the system that has helped, it is my well wishers, and it is the God's grace. That is very, very important for us to understand. A life which is spent totally in the service of others is called an ideal life. So ideal life is always that clarity we should have in our mind. Then only this sort of a spirit will be there in every member of the team. So now we have understood step by step what is a value, what is ethics, what is human value, what is norms, and what is ideal life. When we go through these stages, we also will understand how one should become a role model. Role model, the very first thing is about the behavior or the success. It can emulate others, especially by younger people. The training, the purpose of the training is to create a better society. Again, in the role model, that empathizing nature is most important and one should be very humble. A little pride also, that is going to be like a virus. Whatever may be the level of my knowledge, but still that humble feeling. I am there for everyone because whatever we achieve in the society, it is only because everybody is helping. They are all helping, and also it is the God's grace. So energy level should be very good. The ideas and also the respect that I carry for others, the creativity, the health. The health is one thing that we will get only when we surrender to the system. When I surrender to the system, naturally it will give a very good health. And if I love my work, I am working at the level of my heart. The knowledge makes me intellectually, I will be very proactive in all the situation. So this being certain qualities when we follow, I become quite optimistic. Pessimism will never enter my mind. The reason is I am very focused and I know the obstacles are there which I need to overcome. And this will give me a lot of confidence also. Yes, I have to face the situation. Running away from situation, then how long we can avoid the problem? For which I should be very proactive, face the situation and trust myself. And I need to empower others. I need to make them to know their real potential. These are the certain qualities that will be there in any given role model. So these are the qualities. The first thing is the passion and ability to inspire. So to inspire others, first I should motivate myself. I cannot motivate others. I can inspire them. Motivation is within it should come. So the action part, it is the activity. Once, if you can make anybody to think, then you will be a very good role model. For that, one need the passion for the work. And the best example is our madam only. All the round the clock, madam will say yes, 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 yes. So
Same.
even if we think of anything, by hearing that word, madam, I am also ready, I'll say. So
Thank you.
this is the passion should be there and a clear set value is there. Even before we took up this project on our hand, we were visualizing that every student of our college, they will be a role model at the global level, not at, it is not limited to the state also. It is at the university level. Why university level? It is at the global level. Once the goal is seen very clearly, the set of values, the role models act in a way that support their belief and values. Knowing the values and also knowing our belief. Now, I was going through a book called as Out of Maze. So in Out of Maze, what is made very clear, with the old beliefs, I cannot get a new cheese. So here the belief is one thing. It's an assumption. Many time I start thinking that is the truth. No, I'm a person. I can uh, choose my beliefs and I can change my mind. That should be the control one should have. So any given situation, it is a challenging situation. We must be like a warriors, not a warriors. So when you are a warrior, it is just like celebrating the festival. So the commitment, not only for myself, when we are talking about the role model, it is always for the community we should commit ourselves. So role models are so well focused and also self-focused because they know very well whatever I am doing, the people are following. We might have observed the children, even though they don't listen, but they will do what we do. Best thing is we should put it in an action and we should make ourselves very clear to others. The role models are so important because followers, we want the followers to become again a role model. Any promotion in any organization, first thing they will say, your performance is good, but we need somebody to replace you. Unless you give a replacement, we cannot promote you. It's the truth. Because one person, when they are calling for their promotional interview, they know the contribution. And also they know that in an interview, they may ask, what is your weak point? Suppose if I say anger, then it is a negative point we may feel. Yes, that can be a positive point. When I don't perform, I get angry on myself. So the selection will become easy. Okay, this person will never compromise. Once he set the goals, what may come, he will motivate, he will inspire, and he is a self-motivated person. So selfishness, nobody will recognize. How many of them they have participated in the freedom fighter? But the moment we say freedom, it is only Mahatma Gandhi because he worked selflessly. And another thing is all the time he was involved and he was thinking the clear set objective is everybody should have that equal rights. That is one of the reason after getting the freedom, he was not thinking about the party should continue. So it is not for the power, it is for the welfare of everyone. And Mahatma Gandhi made very clear what is freedom is when a woman can walk in the midnight very, very comfortably without any fear, that is called as freedom. So this selflessness is very important and accepting others and also seeing the unique quality in others. Once we start seeing the good quality in others, naturally our good qualities are also, it is reflected and we need not ask anybody to respect. It is the work that we get recognized by the work what we do and what good we can contribute to the society. So obstacles are going to be quite natural. It is there. So the ability to overcome these obstacles, the role models show that their mental composure and that the calmness that they carry, and always they are a very good learners. Any given situation, through their strength, they will see the opportunities. So these are certain qualities that will be there in an individual. Okay. So quality of role model, again, we can see the most important thing is the passion and the ability to inspire. It is not just about what you accomplish in your life. It is about what you inspire others to do it. Because if there are about 100 people are there in the team, it is 100 hours of work is turned out it in 1 hour. If I am doing a work, it is 1 hour. But if it is 100 people, 100 hours productivity will get. So clear set of values. So values are the things that you believe which are very important. The way I live, the way I work. Quality role model, again, it continues the commitment. We can see the tree. The source of this tree is just one single seed. And in single seed, we never think that today, because of the technology, everything is thought about at a global level, and how every good citizen can contribute by taking up the responsibility, and how they support to the total community, sustain, and also the empowerment, the ethics they follow, the value that we are giving, selflessness and an acceptance of others. There is a beautiful slide you can see. Here a person, he himself, he has become a bridge, and over him the people are passing from this side to that side. It is not anything other than always they think about the future, and they believe that future can be achieved only by today's quality of work. So the commitment to the community and also accepting the responsibility, this will undoubtedly make a person a very good leader. So Mahatma Gandhi, Abraham Lincoln, what they were possessing the qualities, they were always thinking about others. So here, there are so many role models are there, but we have named all the people, but the other person where we have not named, here every student of the college, their photos is going to be affixed. So one should work like Swami Vivekananda. He made all the difference and he projected the India where all the Western country people, they came to know what is India. Otherwise, they were simply thinking, it is only some sort of a sentiments, blind belief they were thinking. But when Swami Vivekananda came, he made everybody to realize what is India. Yes, two words, brothers and sisters. What an impact he created. And when we see Mirabai, you can think of that song, कौन कहता है भगवान खाता नहीं है सोता नहीं है हम ऐसा ही काम करना है just like Mirabai, just like Shabari. So these are the role models. Every role model, Mother Teresa, always thinking that what should be the quality of life, the destitute people. She was appealing to everyone. Let them have a peaceful death. Because at the time of death, what a person will think, that is more important. Swami Ramnath and also Haridas, all these great people. So why your photo and every individual is having the capacity? The role models, they have got a different way of thinking. That is the only difference. So how to become role model in life is we need to demonstrate that confidence and that leadership that we have to give. Absolutely, there is no fear. When there is a fear, we are stuck. So Swami Vivekananda says, fear is death. So the life which has got so much of power to realize the uniqueness and our communication and interaction with others, it should be good. And how I respect and how I understand everyone. The empathy, once I empathize, then only the real value is there. Even sympathy will not work. It's only how I empathize with others. So how to become a role model in life? So in any social activities or any activity which is going to help others. So how to become a role model in life? So be positive, understanding, compassion, and be kind to others and change your emotions according to the situation, whatever may be the stress. If my presence is required, immediately I should be able to come to that comfortable zone and always keep everyone in their comfortable zone. And for learning, we need to come out of the comfortable zone. And sense of humor should be there, taking the responsibility, reaching my support, and always take care of everyone because everybody is taking care of me. Take care of your health, That means I should surrender to the system, whatever may be the system, be in the system, then you can realize a very good health. Take a deep breaths when you are stressed. The reason is the right amount of oxygen should be given and also the carbon dioxide. Then only it has to be exhaled. So even in Bhagavad Gita, the when I breathe in, that should be offered to breathe out. Breathe out is, it is a sacrifice for breathe in. The patience level, any amount of patience is not sufficient. And once this patience level is good, the forbearance and also that power within us, we can make the best use. And always, very proactive and always think of the solution. Let go is most important thing because that is how the others can understand their mistake. And always I need to stay very positive. So a meaningful life is not being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It is about being real, being humble, being able to share ourselves and touch the lives of others. It is only then that we could have a full, happy, and contented life. The most important thing, the total population that are there, if we can divide, the achievers are only 0.00001%, and the common crowd 99.999%. And if you see the beauty that 0.0001% of the people's achievement, their thinking, the way that they do the work, everybody gets the benefit. So I should not be in the common crowd. So this is all about this chapter, the self-awareness. Self-awareness, again, we will make a recap. There is one more session, where we will recap the entire thing. Once again, the self-awareness, creativity, role model, how to set the goal. We will make a recap. And before that, I need to realize myself today, the God's gift, I will make the best use. God has sent me on this earth with a definite purpose, and He wants to do something through me. I am only an instrument in His hand. So thanks a lot for the privilege that is, I have come to know so many students through this program. And for everyone, it is only Amarnath is known. Thank you very much. Good day.
Thank you, sir. That was really a wonderful brief explanation about creativity. I have one question. You can just give the major difference that could you throw some light on differences between the uh, create about ethics and values, sir?
Okay. It's good that once again we can go through this. Values is something that I set for myself. And whereas this ethics, it is like a rules and regulation. So the rules and regulation must be understood properly because it is in that direction we always keep on working. And once we understand, here it is there in the third slide. I will just make a recall here. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. If you can observe in this slide, the difference between the values and ethics. Whether this slide is there on the screen, madam? Hello, madam? The difference between the values and ethics are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
values are always a guiding principle. It is a system and it is about the behavior and action throughout my life. See, each one has got a value for their own particular purpose which they set in their life. And values are universal as well as it is personal. And it is a belief that help an individual to behave in a particular manner. But when we take ethics, it is a moral code. It is a conduct that decides what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. It is more like a rules. And once there is a common understanding, the basics rules should be understood by every member of the team. That will become the ethics. Ethics are unwritten code which must be followed by every individual. So values, it is a guiding principle, and the ethics, it is like a norms that we are supposed to follow. It's a rules and regulation to do a better work and to achieve a higher productivity and to create a very good society for our future. Okay, madam?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Some more questions
Right.
we'll answer through the email, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you for your patient explanation. Thank you.
No,
On
no, no.
KA
It
societies,
is,
yes.
it is,
Yes, sir.
pardon?
Yeah, yes, sir.
No, it is, we are having such a wonderful leader like you, madam. That's why the things are going smooth.
Sir, thank you so much,
It-
sir. Because of you, I'm doing, sir. That's it. You are my
yeah, when we round up in the one more session that, where we can, those who have missed, they will get the total in a capsulated way.
okay.
We can give a better pictures also.
Okay,
Okay,
definitely, sir. Definitely.
thank you.
Definitely, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
right.
sir. On
Okay,
behalf of
madam.
KLE Societies S. Nijlingappa College, I thank Mr. Amarnath J. Sir, a personality development trainer, for accepting our invitation, who shared his views on creativity. Thank you, sir, for your cooperation.
Okay.
Finally, I extend my sincere thanks and gratitude to all the participants on behalf of KLE management, principal, heads of various department, faculty, and also on my personal behalf. I, Dr. Pratibha KS, signing off for today. Stay tuned with me. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, protect yourself, and protect others. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, sir, for being with
Thank you.
us.
Okay.